A student joins a course using a link or an invite code. If the school only gave an invite code, then open My Courses, click Join Course, and enter the code provided by your teacher or administrator. Once confirmed, the course will instantly appear in your list. Let's open the course. Inside, you will see the learning structure, lessons, exercises, homework assignments, and their statuses. You can open any available lesson right away. It is important to note that students do not work on a shared copy of the course. Instead, you get your own individual learning instance. Your answers and progress are saved automatically. You can start an exercise, close the tab, and safely return to it later. Now, let's look at where everything is located. Dashboard is your starting point. It shows exactly what requires your attention right now. My Courses stores all your courses along with your learning path. Schedule is your calendar. It handles live sessions, assignments, and uses color-coded statuses. Profile manages your time zone, native language, photo, and notifications. Setting your time zone correctly is especially critical. If it's incorrect, your lessons might appear to be scheduled at the wrong time. The workflow is simple. The dashboard shows what to do now. My Courses keeps your courses, Schedule takes care of the timing, and Profile manages your personal settings.